talk about what protein intake seniors need. So seniors need more protein in general, and we'll talk why about this in just a second, but they need more protein in general. So earlier in the podcast, we talked about needing about 1 gram per pound of body weight to overall build muscle, if you're trying to build muscle. And I would highly recommend for all seniors, older adults in general, to try to go beyond that. Also on top of this, trying to increase your overall protein intake before bed. This is because at bedtime, that's when a lot of those recovery processes happen for ourselves and specifically older adults. So protein before bed, great idea, just in general. And the point that I really want to make, you might be asking if you're a senior or you care for somebody who's a senior, is why do they actually need more protein? And this is because of a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. So anabolic resistance essentially is when your body is not able to produce muscle protein synthesis quite as easily as individuals who are maybe a little bit younger. So when you're younger, you're able to produce muscle protein synthesis very easily. And muscle protein synthesis is something that needs to take place for literally any type of basically protein synthesis of the body. So creating the structures in our body, creating, if we're talking about muscle protein synthesis, it's going to synthesize muscle. But protein synthesis just in general is happening to all the cells and all the different things in our body. Individuals who are older can't do this as well. And we know specifically with protein increases protein synthesis. Just eating it increases protein synthesis, and specifically muscle protein synthesis. So if you are older, you need to be eating more of this because your body can't produce that protein synthesis, and specifically muscle protein synthesis. Man, I'm gonna lose myself there. Too many synthesises. But it's very important for seniors regardless, and a lot of them like consuming stuff with shakes, supplements. A lot of people like Ensure. All those different things are great options that you can do to improve your overall protein intake.